All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Coffee with Markus. It's a wonderful Monday morning, December 1st, and I am here in Las Vegas. So, this weekend in Las Vegas, we have our 3-day Rockwell Live event, and wow, what a fantastic event! There's a great group of traders here, and I'm about to go downstairs and we'll do some live trading with these traders. But first, I wanted to spend a few minutes with you here, see what the markets are doing, get the week started off, and yo boy, it is early here on the West Coast. So right now it is 6:20. It's not really my time to trade, so I prefer living in Central Time. That's definitely more my time zone. How are you doing this morning? Did you have a great weekend? I sure hope so. So let's take a look at the markets here and see what they are doing, what's happening here this morning. Wow, look at this. The futures are up. Here's the E-mini. Oh, I need to rearrange my charts. What happened here while I was teaching, I was rearranging a few charts. So let me bring them back in order. And we always had the E-mini S&P in the upper left. Let me do this. Then the Nasdaq, then the Dow, then we had crude oil, then gold, and then bonds. So let me rearrange the charts this way, make it a little bit easier to see. So here we see the E-mini S&P, and oh boy, what a gap up here. So we gapped up and we're staying up here, up 0.6%. The Nasdaq as well, up 0.5%. And then we have the Dow, which is up almost 1%. Look at this, already up 222 points going into the opening. Wow, let's see if this will hold up today and if we keep rallying. Crude oil here, on the other hand, right now going down more than 1%. So right now trading at 57.68. We have gold, and as the stock markets gap up, gold and bonds in the lower right are gapping down. Well, let me just quickly see of what is causing this. If I can find the information here this morning of why these markets are so crazy, because that for sure is a little bit crazy. Let me just see if you see any indication. Have you heard anything of what's happening? Oh, it is the tax victory. Okay, that's what it says. I have a headline here that says Wall Street markets rally on big tax victory. So it's a strong beginning for the week after the US Senate narrowly passed a major tax bill over the weekend. So that's what it is. The tax bill got passed. Oh, wow. The markets definitely like this. Well, let's see. What are the other news that we are expecting here this week? Looking at the calendar today, pretty light factory orders coming out at 10 a.m. So that's 30 minutes after the opening. Then tomorrow we have the trade balance and the ISM non-manufacturing index. On Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change, crude oil inventories at 10:30. Thursday, unemployment claims, and then Friday. Oh, yes, it is the first Friday here again, and we do have the unemployment rate. So this will definitely be something that could shake the markets here. So no more Fed speeches this week. Last week, the Fed were really active, and all Fed members were talking, speaking, had something to say. But I do believe, look at this, the big news this morning is definitely the tax reform, the tax bill that passed, and this is why markets are rallying here this morning. So we did identify a few trades with the PowerX analyzer. For those of you who have the PowerX analyzer, with our group of live students here, we looked at a few. Right now on this computer, I don't have PowerX Analyzer up, so I just tell you of what we were looking at. We were looking at a total of 3 stocks. We were looking at DDD. We were also looking at RMTI, and RMTI is Rockwell Medical. Just gotta love the name. And we were looking at PVG. They're all not prime candidates. They're doing okay. RMTI and DDD definitely better than PVG, and So we will see this morning what's happening and what trades we can place here. So let me just see. Let me bring up the questions box here really quick. And yes, this is where you guys are saying and responding to what happens, the news here, the news about the tax bill. And I also see Debbie, good morning, just made money in oil. That is fantastic. Yes, absolutely. There were opportunities in all this morning, and as all this just ticking up and down here, definitely something that we can keep an eye on. And as you know, we like trading the Seahawk strategy on the E-mini S&P and crude oil, and we also keep an eye on the Nasdaq. And here we like to trade boomerang strategies. This morning, I did not yet trade for two reasons. First of all, as I said, I am in Las Vegas and it is early. And it was a little bit too early for me because keep in mind, in order to trade, two conditions have to be met. First, the markets have to be ready, and second, you have to be ready. This morning, the markets sure were ready, but I was not. And also, in a few moments, I'm going to close Coffee with Marcus here, head downstairs to trade live here with a group of traders that we have in Las Vegas during our 3-day live event. And we have another one coming up. I believe it is in January. And in January, we will be in Phoenix, Arizona. We are finalizing the dates, but I will let you know when that is. I do believe it is either last weekend in January or first weekend in February. So we are planning this right now. So if you want to meet with us as well, spend 3 days. It is a Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. On Saturday and Sunday, we are laying the foundation, and on Monday, then we are trading live. That's something that you're interested in, we'll definitely keep you posted here. And I see Aurora here. Good morning. How are you doing? All right, fantastic. So it will be a fun trading session here this morning, that is for sure. Just wanted to make sure to quickly stop by here, say hi, and get the week started, off. And let's see if the markets keep rallying or if we see a slight pullback here this morning. It will definitely be an interesting trading session. All right, for all of you, tomorrow we'll be back at the regular time, and tomorrow I'll be traveling home. But Mark and I will be there for Coffee with Marcus to say hi and also then show you what we did here today during our live trading event. All right, and yes, we will absolutely let you know when we will be in Phoenix, Johnny. So as soon as we have the dates and the location, we will let you know. All right, you have a fantastic day. You have a fantastic week. Now go and make lots of money. It seems that the markets are definitely ready for us. And now I'm also getting ready for the market. So have a great day, and we'll talk soon.